I'm Enrico Camerinelli, Senior Analyst at the Wholesale Banking Services at Aite Group. On the 13th, 14th, and 15th of May, I will be in Miami at the E-Invoicing Exchange Summit. I hope to see you there. On the 13th of May, I will be running a full-day course or a deep dive on blockchain, explaining the basics of blockchain using some technology information, but not too technology, I promise. And mostly will be focused on use cases and how to decide and how to understand how you can use blockchain in your company. On the next day, on the 14th, I will be opening the day with a keynote speech on peer-to-peer and electronic invoicing to prove that with innovative technologies, electronic invoicing is not dead, not at all, and actually is living a new life. And I hope that in that hour of presentation, I will introduce you to how I see in my research the evolution of electronic invoicing. So 13th, 14th, and 15th of May in Miami, the E-Invoicing Exchange Summit. Hope to see you there.